Hello, so ito yung reading natin for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Take only what resonates. For those of you na gusto mo pa personal reading, doon na lang po sa aming Facebook page, Madam P. Ayan. Pwede din sa aking friend, yung tarot reader. Anyway, what do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, you do have here the Tower and the Knight of Wands. Ayan, yan yung main energy mo. I feel like meron ka mga bagay na ini-end ngayon, and with the Knight of Wands, yung iba, this is some kind of ending na binabalikan mo. So, pwedeng may nag-end na sa buhay mo. It could be a career, it could be a person, it could be things in the past. Business, or maybe yung iba, connections, na parang natapos na yung connection. But I feel like with the Knight of Wands, this is some kind of comeback na nangyayari dito. And I feel like nag-end ito because there's a reason, pero hindi ko pa siya nakikitang completely over. Like, I feel like there's a comeback dito sa ending na ito. Okay? So, pagdating sa love, sino itong person na kakonect mo? Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love, you do have the Ace of Pentacles at saka the Page of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Okay, so this is a person, may young energy dito sa person na to. Pwedeng may communication na nangyayari sa inyo, or this person wants to communicate, gusto niyang makipag-communicate sa'yo. And I feel like, pwedeng nagkaroon na ng ending. Yeah, this could be the person na sinasabi natin. This could be a person in the past na nagkaroon ng ending sa inyo. Then the Ace of Pentacles, this person wants to have a new beginning with you. Gusto niya magkaroon ng new beginning sa'yo. And or yung iba, kung hindi pa nakikipag-communicate or wala pang communication, gusto niya makipag-communicate sa'yo. And tell me about the emotions. I want to use a different card dito. Ano yung emotions niyo sa isa't isa? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. For the sign of Virgo, Sun, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo, you do have your heart with the key and the separation. So for some of you, pwedeng yung emotions mo dito sa person na to, kung wala kayong communication, I can see sadness. You miss the person. Nami-miss mo siya. You're yearning. Actually, hindi ka nga sure kung magkakaroon pa ng communication sa inyong dalawa. And yung iba sa inyo, that's why you're here. So, makipag-communicate ito sa person ito. And by the way, I don't know kung nagkaroon kayo ng communication itong person na to in the past na merong isa sa inyo ay may pinagdadaanan na I can see operasyon sa hospital. So, yeah, I can see that. Or pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nagkaroon ng communication in the past sa inyo. Ayun, para do sa iba na may communication na ngayon, maybe one of you is going through this medical operations, or merong naka-schedule na gagawin or pupuntahan na hospital, etc. Something to do with hospital na magkakaroon ng, ang tawag dito, mako-confine. Yeah. Yung iba, kung hindi yun ngayon, that could be in the past. Okay? So, kung hindi ka nakarelate doon sa part to yun, okay lang, wag mo kunin yung message doon. So, pwedeng, the time na meron kayong communication in the past, merong pag-uusap na one of you ay merong mga gagawin or pinagdadaanan na may kinalaman sa hospital. Okay. So anyway, emotions ng person na towards you. You do have your self-indulgence at the bottom of the deck. Meron tayo ditong abundance and karmic relationship. Yeah, this could be your karmic relationship. And this person, I feel like minamanifest ka niya, or something to do with money sa inyong dalawa. Yeah. Something to do with money. Okay, so, tell me about the emotions pa nito person na to. I want to gain more clarity dito. I-clarify natin yung mga nandito. You do have the Six of Pentacles and the Fool. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw yung nakakatulong sa kanya. Pwedeng may usaping pera, financially, ganito, ganyan. And, yung person na to, parang gusto nyo mag-take ng risk or magkaroon ng new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Like, pwede may kinalaman sa money. Pero, alam mo, the problem with this person, takot siya sa changes eh. Na which is, dapat i-embrace niya yung changes. Pero takot siya doon. The High Priest is also here. I can see spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. This person is very proud of you. I feel like may mga times na pinagmamalaki ka niya. So, in the near future, what is the message here in the near future sa inyong dalawa? Near future. Lalo pag, halimbawa, ikikwento ka niya sa ibang tao. I can smell French fries, by the way. The Queen of Wands, the Temperance. Lalo na yung iba sa inyo. If you are financially secured, okay? If you're financially secured, I feel like itong person na to is very proud sa'yo. Very proud sa mga accomplishments mo. And parang gusto niya kasi maging part noon nung mga accomplishments na yon, ng mga nangyayari sa'yo na parang success and etc. So, gusto niya maging part nun and maging part ng happiness mo. Yeah. You do have the Knight of Pentacles. And this is the future message here. The Page of Swords and the Hanged Man. Honestly, nakakita tayo ng immaturity dito sa person na to. Okay? Immaturity. And the Knight of Pentacles, medyo masyado siyang mabagal kumilos. Well, unlike you, na pwedeng kapag ka gusto mo na or alam mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin, prepared na yung sarili mo sa whatever challenges ang harapin mo, ipupush mo yung sarili mo, gagawin mo yon. Yung mga dapat, wala nang waiting na nagaganap dito. I feel like, iba sa inyo, maybe it has something to do with career, business, whatever, yung maisipan mo, sige ka, gora ka doon. And with the Temperance, pagdating sa connection ninyong dalawa, I feel like lagi mo siyang iniintindi. Lagi mo siyang inuunawa. You're the one being patient here. Very mature ang energy mo. You are the King of Cups and the King of Wands dito. At the bottom of the deck, I feel your energy here. Alam mo yun. Ganun naman kasi talaga if you are already mature, hindi ka pinangungunahan ng takot eh. Mas more on, pinupush mo yung sarili mo doon sa hangganan mo. Yung alam mong may magagawa ka pa. So, ginagawa mo yun. Yung mga tingin mong magagawa mo pa. And I feel like kaya ka nagkakaroon ng success. And sabi ko nga yung iba sa inyo financially stable, okay ka na. Dahil, hindi ka natakot. And yun yung medyo kulang dito sa person na to. Parang kailangan niya ng support or andun yung takot sa kanya, nandun yung takot niya pagdating sa transformation. So, the Hanged Man, uh, this person is kulang pagdating sa actions. You are, more on isip-isip-isip but no actions at all. Pero sa'yo kasi, ikaw yung mas nakikitaan natin ng action. What I see here is that mas pinangahawakan or mas ang person na to nakafocus siya sa kung saan siya komportable, kung saan siya nasanay. Which is, kaya siya hindi nag-grow. Diba? Well, on the other hand, sa side mo, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng naniniwala ka na, I only have one life and I will live my life to the fullest. So, I will do whatever it takes para ma-accomplish ko yung goals ko. And I don't mind. I will risk everything. So, yeah. And by the way, yun nga, nakakita tayo ng hospital energy. So, I don't know. Maybe, yung iba sa inyo, maybe currently you're nasa hospital or may nabalitaan ka na may something to do with hospital or this is your conversation in the past dito sa person na to na may kinalaman sa hospital. Kung hindi man hospital, could be clinic na anong tawag dito? Surgery. Pwede rin yung konting mga beautifications. Ayan, yung ano tawag dito? Yung parang clinic na may kinalaman sa pagpapaganda, pwede rin ganun. Enhancement. This could be a reading. Anyway, kung di ka nakarelate on, okay lang. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.